Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant Vanguard requires TPM version 2.0, and in this video I will show you how you can fix that without turning on your BIOS on Windows 11 or 10. Right, so the first thing we need to do here, you need to open up search and then write services here, and then you need to click on one of the tasks here and press V, and then here you should see VGC. Press on that. And make sure that this startup type automatic and also service status is running. If it's not running, press start here and apply the changes, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then on search you need to just write run or press Windows and I key, and then you need to write %sign appdata %sign. Press OK. On this window, press on appdata local. And here you need to look for Valorant, press on that, saved, and logs, and delete all the logs that is here. So I already did that, so there's no files for me. But if you didn't, make sure to completely close Valorant and Riot Client, because sometimes it cannot let you to delete the files. So delete all the files from logs, then go to crashes, config, crash report client, and delete from crash report client folder all the files as well. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to search, look for edit group policy, and then here you need to look for administrative templates. Then you need to go to Windows components, and on Windows components, as you can see here, somewhere should be a BitLocker drive encryption. Press on that. Then you need to look for operating system drives, and then here you need to look for require additional authentication on at startup. Press on that. Press enable and make sure that this is allow. Configure TPM startup, allow TPM. Configure TPM startup pin, allow startup with pin with TDM. Configure TPM startup key, allow startup key with TPM. And then configure TPM startup key and pin, allow startup key and pin with TPM. Apply the changes and press OK. And your problem should be fixed after you start your computer. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.